When measuring DC current, the value jump is normal. You can press the rail key to clear. AC current measurement. In the case of poor light, you can turn on the backlight. The line on the test is a leaf line and a single line. The measured line is 0. You can measure a single line. The line on the test is ground. It has no electricity. Ground while 0 lines 3 lines together cannot be measured. While 0 line cannot be measured together. The line containing 3 core wires cannot be measured. The wire containing 2 core wires cannot be measured. AC voltage measurement. NCV non-contact induction voltage. Use a single test lead to measure the leaf wire. It will emit a quick beep. Measure the 0 line, no beep sound. The dust black of the test lead line can be pulled out. AC voltage measurement. When measuring AC voltage, you can directly switch between HV and duty cycle. DC voltage measurement. Resistance measurement, both sides. Measurement. Detection of LED lights. Light on indicates that the light is good. When the buzzer is in near, you can measure the resistance and also measure the line on and off. Common household appliance capacitance measurement. Connect the temperature line and measure the temperature by direct contact.